Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2,805th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you. All right, it's Thursday night. It's Thursday night football. I would like to watch the game with some of my friends. It's been a long week. I've done an OMNI camp and live webinars and videos and ran OMNIs. So I think tonight I want to watch the game. I called over a few of my friends. So instead of getting in front of the camera, which, that kind of takes me a few hours, I thought I would present you with the information in one of these videos. So here we go. This video, 2,805th, coming at you on a Thursday after trading on Friday. That would be September 27th, 2024. E-mini S&P Daily Bar. Before you do anything with trading analysis or you name it, please know this is a very risky game. Never trade without putting in your stops first. Now, traders, you've seen this chart before, and there's a reason why I'm going to show it to you again right now. If you recall, I literally put this before your eyes, I don't know, 10, 12 days ago, 15 days ago, and I said, traders, we've got a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder to an inverted head and shoulders formation, and it's gone out that exit door. Because once the right shoulder resolves itself, you can calculate the exit door and where it'll go. So I put this here, this, and I put an exit door, calculated, and said, don't panic. I know the market is coming down. It'll come down this week, but when the right shoulder resolves itself, it'll go out the exit door. So that's where we were, and I did this in on live in a class and in a YouTube video as well as in a webinar, and boom, that is what happened. I mean, is that not sick? Right out the calculated exit door after the right shoulder was resolved. So the reason why I'm showing this to you is, yes, that was a great call, but that's happened already. We need to figure out what's coming next. Otherwise, analysis becomes useless, right? It's great to know history. Good job, Oscar. What about tomorrow? That's where we're going next. Check this out. Look at what this pretty picture I've created in the Nasdaq is doing. Out the exit door, and you can ask any of my Omniacs who hang out in my live trading room. It's always open. They always see what I do. That exit door was put there before these three bars even existed. We were here, and I said, well, kids, we might as well put the exit door in. There it is, and this is what happened since. So it's working, and that should be a clue as to what we expect for tomorrow. The upside through the exit door. Omni's bullish in E-mini S&P and Nasdaq. It's bullish in just about all the indices, as am I. Look at this average. Holds, breaks here, can't get to it and then fails, holds again. Now we're breaking out of it. Amazing, right? So the same formation, inverted head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and away we are going. Then there's one other chart that I've been showing you for the last 15, 20 days and telling you what to expect. It involves, of course, my long-term position, Bitcoin, which I usually don't hold long-term, but Bitcoin I have held. And look where it's going. So we have a question in today's video. You just seen Nasdaq and S&P look like they want to go higher. You've heard me say many times that Bitcoin is closely tied to the stock market because Wall Street has adopted it, and there are futures that trade it in Chicago, and it moves not all the time, but in some ways in tandem with the stock market. With that in mind, today's question is, will this go through this time? What do I mean by that? Or will it fail? So, if you look at the progression of this chart and this monstrous flag, the market runs up, settles in, puts in that mark, fails at it again, holds, runs up, fails at it, runs down, holds, runs up slightly, runs down, holds. What will it do when it gets up here? So that was the question I posed literally when none of these bars existed and we were up here. We were on our way down here. I left this blank circle like you see up here and asked this very question of all of you. What do you think will happen? Will it go through this time on the downside, or will it hold? And I will tell you, most of you said that it will hold. Now this time the question is, will it go through this time or fail at resistance? The last time the question said, will it go through or will it hold? This time, same market, same formation, same question, slightly different. Now the question is, will Bitcoin go through this time when it gets up there, or will it fail at resistance like it always does and drop one more time? Before you answer the question, I want to update the chart for you. So you will answer below, A or B. Please make sure you answer, but not yet. Give me a moment. Here's why I don't want you to answer yet. Let's update this chart. This is what happened since we've gone through that resistance line and we are here. So most of the crowd was right about Bitcoin holding here. Now tell me, what are you thinking when you look at this chart and you do your own homework? Will we hold here and drop again, like each time? Well, this time, will it break its way through? Hello, Bitcoin, because that's where it's going. Please answer the question now. Answer below, A or B. I want to tally up your answers, and then we will get together in the next video and see what's going on, what your answers were, who was right, who was wrong, and where the money is. Traders, make sure that you answer the question. A, it will go through this time. B, no, it will fail once again and drop. And then make sure that you subscribe to my videos. But most important is this. We're going, OMNI Camp is going to the UK. In the month of October, I will be doing one OMNI Camp in the UK. It's been mostly subscribed to, but there are a few open seats still remaining. I will let a few more of you in. If you are from anywhere in the UK, go to omnibootcamp.com. The link is right below this video. And then when you get there, click this, and it'll take you right to where you need to be. So go to OMNI Bootcamp, the link below this video. Click right below here, and you will find the link that you need. Answer the question A or B. Click that link if you're from Europe and you want to join me for a 4-day extravaganza where I will teach you the OMNI in Europe. Make sure that you go, click the link below, fill out that application for OMNI Bootcamp in the UK. For everybody else, please join my site, livewithoscar.com. You will find me there, always in my live trading room where I'm at right now, filming this video and waving to you. So make sure you join me there. And then remember, keep your stops out, baby. Well, you can also subscribe to these videos if you don't mind. I'd like that. So keep your stops in and your emotions out of this. How do we do that? Well, you've got to put your stops in first. Then you got to say this mantra to yourselves over and over. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.